Okay, now it's time for the last leg of this challenge. I will now rappel down. And I'm not sure if I can do it. Okay, medyo mas mahirap to kasi hindi katulad nung parang, di ba, rappelling, parang may rope ka, tapos parang bababa ka. Meron like rock formation or wall na pwede mong tapakan para matulungan mo yung sarili mo. Dito, wala. Rope lang. You're all alone. So, good luck to me.
You will rappel down using your rope, but you have your belayer that will control you, and also the control is in your hands, but yung belayer will also control you for the safety.
Ayoko. Ang hirap. Natatakot ako tumuloy-tuloy eh. Alam mo yung mga harness na yan, dati kasi nahulog na ako sa harness. Okay, ngayon, gagawin ko na siya talaga.
Go.
Ah!
Oh,
Ah!
okay, itong hawak. Okay, on rappel!
Ah! Ah!
Okay. Okay.
Ah! Ah! Hindi! No! Ayoko i-control! Ah! Mapuputol na! Mapuputol na! Kuya, dalihan mo! Dalihan mo! Dalihan mo! Ayoko na! May nakabahan ako dun, grabe. Merong part na parang lumuwag-luwag, maluwag-luwag. Like, oh my God, grabe. Ang naalala ko yung time, hindi yung silent rundown, yung time na nahulog talaga ako sa harness. As in, super panic. Thank God. I did it! Good job, me! Here's some more adventures here in Batangas! Tara, let's!